Ladies and gentlemen, it is day 30 of the 30-day short bus build. We're kind of done.
Kinda. Almost. Very close.
Yeah, we got to go. So I talked about my seamstress. She wasn't able to make it. And we are going to head up the road. And she's done with the curtains and the cushion covers. We're driving up the road today. And we're going to go pick those up from her. And then we got to go to my uncle's. And we get the rest of the stuff. We still don't have everything. I have a mattress and some other things over there. And we are going to have everything we need. And then I'm going to spend another day. It's probably going to take me another day or two to wrap this up. You know, there wasn't like a hard deadline, but it was just a personal goal.
Yep, tomorrow's the last day of January. It's supposed to be the last day of the build, which
yeah,
pretty much I feel like it's going to be. Like, everything's going to be done by tomorrow. Maybe just some cleaning and stuff after that. Really and truly. Yeah,
so this is day 30. We're going into town to go grab the last of the material. And then tomorrow, I'm going to be putting it all in. So, we're excited, but we got to get up the road and go grab some stuff.
Yep.
We just got to Salem, and we are picking up the cushion covers and the curtains from the seamstress Hannah, and I'm stoked because that's one of the final touches. This is why I use Hannah. This looks like it was made professionally, which it was. A lot better than anything I could have came up with, so super stoked. The cushion covers are on here. The curtains, I still gotta put the curtains up, but hyped on it. So we're gonna leave Salem, head back to Eugene, and go get the rest of the stuff for this build from Home Depot and my uncle's. So let's head back down the highway. Okay, so we are going to my uncle's to get mail. We pulled over to let a car by and we are stuck. So, somebody's getting chains and hopefully they can pull us out of here. So,
it's been a long day.
We're trying to make this happen. Okay, we're leaving my uncle's. We just got a bunch of mail, got the mattress. We forgot to film it. That's why I'm talking about it. Everyone, it's January 31st, the last day of the month and the last day of the 30-day bus build. Now, let's just show you real quick where it's at. Look at that. It's pretty much all done. And what we're doing today is finishing the plumbing. Now, this is going to be kind of a tutorial. I'm not exactly sure. I'm doing a manual foot pump system. Boom. And we're doing a gray tank mounted on the bottom with a remote ball valve release. So let's talk about the pros and cons real quick. I put a water heater in another bus. First winter storm, it froze up. Apparently, that's kind of common. I had a manual foot pump system in Skoolie for 2.5, 3 years. Never, ever, ever, ever had a problem. But I don't have hot water in there. And this one ain't gonna have hot water. But the one thing I really like about the manual foot pump system is like, it's super simple. Installation's very simple. And there's just no problems. Like the only thing that can fail is the pump, and you can switch it out in like 10 minutes. So the way it works is you have a water tank like this underneath your counter, and I usually strap it in with these lashing straps so it doesn't shake around. You have one tube that goes in the tank, and another tube that connects here, and then another tube connects here and attaches to the faucet. And this is all whale system stuff. And it just pumps water. That's it. Very simple system. Not hard to install. That is the freshwater system. So that's how you do it. And I'm going to put it in and you guys can kind of see it. And then the gray tank, this is going to attach to the bottom of the sink with this HEP valve thing. And then I got this simple drain whoop-de-whoop-whoop to connect it to this line, and then this goes in here, and that's it. And then I'm just gonna get some wire on this, and this is a 12-volt release with a switch that's already in there, and then this is just like a backup. If something ever happens to your electrical, you can release your gray water. That's it. So super simple plumbing. Let's put it in, and if you guys want to end up trying to do a simple plumbing system like this, I'll have links in the description to everything I'm using in this video. Let's get into doing it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the plumbing is done, I think. So we just got water, we got it all hooked up, and we're gonna foot pump it and see what happens. Let's do it. Oh! Look at that! Let's see if we got any leaks in here. Manual foot pump system. Let's get in here and look for any leaks. Right there. We got a leak. Let's check up here. That looks good. We do have a leak. Over here. Wow, that was a whole mission. So apparently the hose clamps weren't tight enough, so I got in there with a wrench and just tightened it down, and now it's not leaking. So I took a towel, wiped all the water up, took a heat gun, hit all the wood, dried it up real good, and now let's get this thing pumping again. Okay, now we're pumping. So we're pumping here. It's coming up through here. It's dropping through here. Going to our gray tank. Pump's great. Let's go in here and just check again. No water. Okay, let's check the gray. So we've been running the fresh for a minute, so we should have a remote ball valve switch right here. So let's hit dump. And let's go out there, see if it's pouring out. Oh yeah, look. So let's close it. Let's see if it stops. Close. Okay, so that's 12 volt, just in case. So that's our 12 volt dump valve. Now I did put in this manual switch or manual release right here, just in case something happens to your 12 volt. So let's see if it works. Bam. Cool. So fresh water works. The 12 volt dump valve works. The manual release works. The whole plumbing system is in. So super stoked about it. And that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna start cleaning up. That was a huge mission. I hope you guys learned something by watching this video. So if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. If you're building a bus or you just like bus stuff, this bus is almost done, and we'll be doing a full tour in a time lapse of the whole build. And then Jaylena and I are gonna take it out on a road trip and do some bus life adventures. Thanks for watching if you got this far. And that's how you do a manual plumbing system. Peace.